Hi, good morning. I want to have a very basic orientation for the course, and I like to welcome each one of you for joining me for Physics 100. I hope that you will be able to find this a fun class. Now, my objective from this orientation is maybe basically to go over the syllabus and to show you some of the most important, I will say, links in the course. Let me first show you let me talk first about the syllabus, and then I'm going to go for all the links that we have in here. Of course, this is like your course. It is Patterns in Nature, where is going to be this course. It doesn't have a lab. It is just standing by itself. It's a conceptual course. We don't have any prerequisites for the course except the high school algebra. You should know the basic math. I'm gonna use the Hewitt Conceptual Physics 11th edition. Then all my work is based on the 11th editions. We will cover chapters 1 and then 19 to 34. We have office hours that I will be able to answer all the questions, and there is a link here for can you see this office hours Zoom link? This is gonna take you to the Zoom during these times here. Okay, I have so many hours. You can join me anytime. You can email me beforehand that you want to join me, or about your concerns, so that I will be able to maybe if it is going to be a grade, I might look at it, or it's going to be anything, it will help. But anyway, you can just come in and I will be able to answer your questions and issues. These are the objectives, and I will say this is what we need to get out of this course. Now, I expect each one to maybe read the textbook, especially before, it's not before coming to class, I will say before listening to the lecture. Or you can do this after, but it is actually good to read it beforehand. Also, you can collaborate on the homework. I don't mind if you're gonna have groups and start working on it. But for the test, it should be an individual work. Okay, the most important part here is I will not have any makeup exams. Okay, now I have an issue always with my students that they think that I'm gonna open the assignments again. I am very strict about the due dates, and you have quizzes that they are really 20%, and you have homework that it is also 20%. Then they are equivalent to the weight of the exams. These quizzes and homeworks, they have very strict due dates. They will be available for almost like a week. Okay, homeworks and quizzes, they're gonna be due by Sundays. Okay, and then I will expect you to work on them as soon as they are available. Now, I will not accept anybody who's gonna say I have technical difficulties, my quiz was not submitted, my homework, because you have a week and you have actually 2 attempts. Okay, now for the homework, you will find that you will have 2 attempts, and I will take your grade will be the average of the 2 attempts. Okay, then don't open it, work on it, okay, get a 0 and then get a 10 in the second one, because your grade is going to be 0 plus 10. It is 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. Okay, then work seriously. If you want to attempt both, work seriously on both. And it's going to be the same with the quizzes. Okay, no makeups here. No late work will be accepted. All the work is really is gonna be by the weekend, by the Sunday. Now, one more thing I want you to know that they are also for the quizzes, they are timed for 20 minutes and they're gonna be auto-submitted. Also, once you are in the homework or once you are in the quiz or once you are in the exam, I force completion. Then you need to know that, okay, today I have a homework, then I need to sit for, let's say, 2 hours for the homework, whatever, like, you are comfortable with. Then you need to know that you need to finish this during the session. Don't like leave it and come back, because you should complete it within one session. Now, the exams, as I said, they are going to be available for 1 hour and a half. They will be only during Fridays. Then my exam is gonna open 12 a.m. and it's gonna finish 11:59 p.m. Then you have the whole like 24 hours to complete your exam. But once you are in, you are allowed to stay only 1 hour and a half. Is gonna be again forced completion. Then you need to complete. It's gonna be only one assumption, one attempt. Now, one of the things that I want you to know that I will not make any makeups in any case. And I gave you examples for things that because that you might miss an exam, then this is going to be your dropped one. Don't say let's say it's unfair. We are in an environment that we will not be able to have any makeups. And then if you have a power outage or like technical difficulties, doctor appointment, any type of emergencies, that like a car accident, anything, I will not give you any chance of making up the exam. Okay? Because I have planned 3 exams. Okay, and I will drop one of these. Then you can drop one of the exams because of an emergency. Now, this is the course segments. Like I divided into 4. We are going to have an first examination, second examination, third examination. One of these is going to be dropped, and we are going to have a final exam. And these are the chapters, and these are really the pages even for the textbook. I want to share with you also some of the things that I have here. For example, course modules is going to take you, let me put you in the student preview. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, then course modules is going to take you here. You're going to find here, there is a lecture outline. This is a PowerPoint. And okay, I forgot to add chapter 19. I need to add chapter 19 here. I will add chapter 19 as well. But also you will have the recorded lectures, and you will have also the one that I have my notes on. Also here, I might include some of the resources, like here, why we need to study physics. And for example, here is going to be about the scientific method, which is in chapter 1. Here, hopefully this is going to take you to the link of homework number 1. And the second one is gonna, like, I will go back to the course. Okay, and they're gonna take you to the quizzes. This week I have 2 quizzes because like chapter 1 and chapter 19, but usually is going to be only one lecture, one chapter. Now here also I have like some of the links here, like quizzes, home assignments, PowerPoint lectures, exams. You're going to access them from here. Lecture notes, these are like from previous like years. You can look at these if you like, but also I will provide you with the new ones. I hope that I did not forget anything here. This is my main introduction for the course, and soon you will see chapter 1 and chapter 19 lecture recorded, posted here under homepage. Thank you, and we'll come to 100 again.